Today we're going to be checking out and driving this rare 1964 Mercury Comet Cyclone, a factory K-code car. Beautiful.
Yeah, I love this car. It's one of my favorites we have in the lot right now. Absolutely show quality. Bumper to bumper is just absolutely beautiful. It does have the fiberglass ram air hood on it.
The neat thing with that is it's functional.
Yeah, it's sweet. As we go underneath the hood, it does come with factory equipped power steering. Go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. The floors, frame rails, trunk is immaculate. There's pictures of all of that. I mean, you can just tell by the quality of the restoration on this car that it's ready to take to any of your next car show. I love the functional ram air. That's really cool.
We've had so many calls and questions, people stopping in to see this car ever since I did that little walk around in the showroom.
Yeah, it's something you don't see very often. So it's got the factory tag on the motor. I've decoded all the numbers. It's a 64 motor, 64 tranny. The motor was produced, I think, like a month and a half before the car came out. So everything seems to be correct as far as original on this car. The only thing is it's had one repaint. Other than that, the interior is all original, floors are original. The grille and bumpers and headlight rings are immaculate. Even the fiberglass hood lines up excellent, except for right here in the middle, it just sticks up just a little bit. But again, it's fiberglass, there's not much you're gonna do about that. The paint quality on this car, it is super cold, so we're gonna go around it kind of quick. Plus it's show quality, there ain't much to point out. But the paint quality is awesome. The fit and finish on it is beautiful all the way around. The gaps are great, chrome is great. Inside the trunk on this car is all painted absolutely perfect. Tiny, tiny little touch up right there. There's one more right here, I noticed earlier. Very small. I'll rev it up just a little bit, don't. But runs and drives absolutely perfect. The body's laser straight, paint is excellent. As far as our taillight chrome is immaculate. Trunk emblem, bumpers, I mean, the way the trunk fits is perfect as well. All the glass is great, the back shelf is nice. This did come with the option of the chrome headliner bows as well. Dome light works. Back seats 100% original, that's in great shape. Carpet's nice. It's got the console, 4-speed, original seats. Everywhere you look on this car, I mean, the paint is show quality. Even in the jambs, corner of the doors, bottom of the fenders are rust-free. You can just tell the quality of the paint job by looking at the inner door jambs and stuff on it as well. This is a paint that probably won't show on a cloudy day, but it still looks wet. Everywhere you look, it looks like it was just painted, just came out of the booth. That's what it does. It's one of these cars you really have to see in person. Go ahead and hop in, roll our windows up. There's one paint spot right over here. It's hard to see, but there's a couple little bubbles right here, kind of a, I'd call it kind of an oxidation or something right there, reaction right on the very top of that panel. But again, driver's side, absolutely mint, laser straight, no issues. I also love the wheels and hubcaps on this thing. This chrome hubcaps, pretty sweet. Our gaps are great on the door. Again, paint quality, door handles, seals. It's got the chrome mirror, new seals there as well. Back of the hood lines up perfect here, all the way across. The gaps are awesome. The bottom of the door tucks in perfectly to the quarter panel. Even the tag here is like brand new still. It's a 50-some thousand actual mile car that's just in immaculate condition. Windows roll up and down really nice and smooth. The felts are good yet. Rubbers are original. Roof rail rubbers original. We're gonna see if we can find some heat in here. Factory tack does not work. I don't know if it's just not hooked up or what's going on with that. We'll have to check that out. Oil pressure is way up here on the high side, you guys, and the car's getting warmed up too. Gas gauge works. 59,616 original miles. 1-speed wiper in 1964. Dash pad is perfect.
It looks like the whole gauge cluster and glove box are all original.
It definitely is. I mean, it's just pristine too. Look at how nice the chrome is in the Comet and all that kind of stuff. It's got the original Mercury radio.
Sounds like it's gonna work too.
I can't believe that.
Alright, click on.
We'll see.
Maybe warmed up a little bit.
I'd like to warm up a little bit, dude.
Yeah.
I'm tired of this crappy weather. Heater fan works. I'll let you take the camera. I'd leave it on to see what happens here. You never know. It might scare us and start working. I doubt it. How nice the radio works. It all works freely. Let's see what we got. Even the 4-speed, look at the boot. How nice and clean the chrome is around that. It's got the factory console, which is really nice here as well. Not sure how to get into it. Got a button somewhere, don't there? I'm not gonna force that issue.
I sure think so.
We'll find the button.
There you go.
It's nice. Nice inside there too, so. Dang it.
Yeah, it does work.
Dome light works. The only thing that doesn't work is the tack. Come on, radio. You can do it, old girl.
Watch out for the lumber. Putting on a new showroom. I hate to be a construction worker today. It's cold.
Oh, it's nasty. Now this car came factory with 350 to 1 gear ratio, which is pretty nice deep gears.
Puts you right back in your seat.
Yeah, it does. That's what's so awesome about this car. Not only does it look just like it's flying, standing still with the hood scoops and stuff, the brakes are perfect. Steering is perfectly straight. It's got the really nice wood grain wheel. Temperature gauge is just starting to come up just a little bit as well. So all our factory gauges are working. What do you think of it? It's comfortable too.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a little bit bigger than Mustang as far as the seats and stuff. We got plenty of room in here in the passenger and driver's seat. Plenty of headroom. Headliner's pristine too for original.
Yeah, it's original headliner. Just a car you do not see very often or get a chance to buy.
It's definitely a show quality kind of car. I seen it. We just had to have it. Kind of classics. Second gear scratch. 50 mile an hour in second. Goes right up into third. This thing accelerates really nicely, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
It's 85 right there, just like that. And just check how it's going down the road. No vibrations, nothing. Super tight front end. Well, that's your 59,000 mile car.
Yep.
I mean, that's why. I mean, it's just super tight. Your downshift's nice. Look at this. It's insane.
This thing is sweet.
Nice car.
Really nice car.
Very nice car. I mean, you could fly in and drive this one home.
I love it. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Give us a call. You can be the next one to drive the Cyclone.